Good afternoon, Maguire's family. My name is Mason Stamen, and today I'm presenting you this gray 2018 Toyota 4Runner. This 4Runner is coming in at only 45,000 miles and is in extremely good condition. This is one of the most aggressive looking SUVs you can find on the market today, and the off-road capability is amazing on these. So jumping to the inside, you can see it has the black and silver seats all the way around. Large center console screen, AC control, USB and aux. You also have the manual shifter automatic mode. Dual chargers in the back along with dual vents. And finally, moving into the hatch of the vehicle, you can see that not only do you get the all-weather mats, but you get plenty of space here in the back. Thank you guys so much for taking a look at this 2018 Toyota 4Runner at 45,000 miles. If you're interested, make sure to stop down today in Palmyra, Pennsylvania at Maguire's Ford in Lincoln and ask for Mason Stamen. Thank you so much, guys.